Today is the 7th of April 2023. Today is World Health Day. Mankind has taken giant leaps in science and technology and in medicine. And yet, as a species, we human beings have never been so sick as we are now. Globally, we are struggling with diseases which were once very rare, and in most cases, we are losing the fight. Each year, roughly 20 million people die of heart disease and 10 million people die of cancer. Half a billion people have diabetes. All these non communicable diseases have become a household phenomenon. In India, over 61% of all deaths are attributable to lifestyle diseases as per data from Center for Science and Environment. Every 10th Indian is a diabetic. Every 7th Indian is a pre-diabetic. And there are millions of Indians who do not even know that they are diabetic. Obesity in India is also an epidemic. In fact, we have a double burden of diseases. We have the diseases of the poor on one side, from tuberculosis to cholera, but we also have the diseases of the rich, the non-communicable diseases, which have become the number one killer today. The numbers are mind-boggling. We have a looming health crisis in our hands. Why and how did this happen? Keep watching to find out. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Healthy Drive. This channel is about your health. Here we discuss all about your metabolic health issues and non-communicable diseases and how to address them not with medications but with lifestyle changes. It is a fact that the environment that we live in today is very different from our ancestors and our grandparents. It is also a fact that faulty nutrition is the biggest reason behind poor metabolic health, more than alcohol, tobacco, and lack of exercise put together. And as per research, the Indian diet in all states of our country and across all income groups is unhealthy. A whopping 80% of the population is protein deficient. India is not only a protein deficient nation, India is a protein unaware nation. And this protein deficiency is also driving the obesity epidemic. If you want to know how, please watch my episode on the protein leverage hypothesis. I have left a link below and also at the end of the video. Now, coming back to the health crisis, the low protein, high carbohydrate, high cereal diet that we eat gives rise to a state of chronic hyperinsulinemia. And chronic hyperinsulinemia is the root cause of all the metabolic and lifestyle diseases. I have talked about this before. You may recognize this image. It is the elephant in the room which hardly anyone addresses. So what's the solution? How do we address this hyperinsulinemia? If you have watched my previous videos, you will have some idea. First and foremost, eat real food. Now, what's real food? Food that's made by nature as opposed to the man-made processed food that we come to eat every day. That is junk food. Say a big no to all kind of junk and processed food. They are nothing but poison for your body. Stop using the vegetable oils or the so-called heart-healthy white oils. They are highly processed and inflammatory. In fact, this is such an important topic that I will take it up in a separate episode. And I know you will hate me for saying this, but a big no to alcohol too. Not only alcohol is a liver poison, but it delays the whole digestive process when taken along with food. So basically, there are no shortcuts, but it can be done. Insulin resistance can be reversed. Type 2 diabetes can be reversed. It is very much officially in the guidelines that type 2 diabetes can be reversed and put into remission, and these guidelines have become a part of all over the world leading countries. Weight loss can be effortless, and all other lifestyle diseases can be prevented and kept on hold. So, on the occasion of World Health Day, I would ask you to take your health into your own hands. That is the best option that you have. Remember that your body is an effortless healing machine. It can heal itself provided you yourself get out of the way. And I'm here to guide you and to keep you informed to how to do it. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll catch up with you soon in the next one.